welcome to our newest oceanfront listing in the Oceana North 1 building on Hutchinson Island South. This oceanfront condo has been completely remodeled, open concept with plenty of upgrades. My favorite unique feature about this condo is this bonus room. Let your imagination run wild. Would you like to have an exercise studio or perhaps a home office? Maybe a bedroom for your guests? A hobby room? What's special about this condo is its close proximity to the ocean. Thank you for taking the time to watch our short presentation about our newest oceanfront listing. If you would like to live here and make this ocean your own backyard, call the Braunsteins for a private showing today, 772-214-6466.